Okay, I have never made one of these unboxing videos before, but I am going to unbox my Greenworks corded lawnmower, and it is a 20-inch lawnmower. So I'm going to pause, open the box, and we'll be right back. All right, the box is open. It looks like I can see the handle, the bag, I see some wheels, and some other items. So I'm going to get them out the box and we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are out the box. As you see, we have the mower. We just have to put the handle on. And there's some kind of screws there to put the handle on. We have the bag for the clippings, or if you want to use the side propel, we have that as well. I know the lawnmower is a 3-in-1. It has a mulch, a bag, or a side discharge. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that handle put on. And unfortunately, my grass just got cut, so I won't actually be able to use this until next week. And I forgot to mention there is a book, so I'm going to look at the book just to make sure I'm putting everything together correctly. Alrighty, I have our lawnmower put together. It actually was fairly easy. We just had to remove all the packing material. It was really easy. We just had to screw these in and screw those in and put that on. And then we had 2 screws at the bottom that we had to screw in. Very easy assembly, very easy assembly. Okay, took me a little bit to figure out, but it does fold down for easy storage. And what you have to do is just loosen these and push both of these out a little bit so it is in front of this bar here. I don't know if you can see it, for easy fold down. If anybody had that problem, very easy fold down, great storage. So I'll fold it back up so we can see the full thing. All right, the bag was very easy to install. We just lifted this and we got the bag on the side there. So bag, easy installation. So far, I am loving this. It has been very easy to put together. Side discharge chute was also easy to align. You lifted the side discharge cover right here. You aligned this with that and you just put down. Very easy to install. If you decide to mulch, there is a mulching plug that is under here where your where your bag went. You want to make sure to remove this when using the bag or the side discharge, and you just simply, I'm trying to record and do this at the same time, you just simply lift and pull that out. So I don't know if you guys saw how easy that was. I just lifted it and pulled it out. I needed to put back in. It just goes right in, simple as that. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this because I am most likely not gonna be mulching. I will either use my bag or side discharge. So we'll go ahead and take that out. So this was just an unboxing video of the Greenworks 20-inch corded lawnmower. I haven't been able to use it yet, but when I use it, I will take a second video for you guys to see how it cut. This is the #1 rated corded lawnmower on Amazon right now. I got it for $149, got a cord for about $30. So I just wanted to take a video for everybody to see. I did a lot of research and had a lot of good reviews. So I'm really excited. Like I said, this was my first unboxing video. So sorry if it wasn't the best, but I did want to share with you guys.